For years, the 6.5 Creedmoor ruled the hunting world with its smooth recoil and pinpoint precision. But 2025 marks a turning point. Hunters are moving toward faster, flatter, and more efficient calibers. This isn't about abandoning a legend. It's about embracing new innovation that pushes long-range accuracy even further. Modern cartridges now deliver Creedmoor-like performance with improved stability, cleaner energy transfer, and ethical shot placement. From the timeless .308 Winchester to the cutting-edge 6.5 PRC, the competition is fierce. So let's uncover the top 5 calibers driving this major shift and see which one truly earns the crown in 2025. This video is for educational and historical purposes only. All ballistic data comes from published gel tests and FBI protocols. Always follow local laws and train with certified instructors. Number 5. .308 Winchester. For decades, the .308 Winchester has been the steady workhorse of ethical hunting across North America. Picture a crisp dawn in the Rockies. A hunter sets up carefully, knowing that this round delivers reliable precision without the harsh recoil of larger calibers. Its 150 to 180 grain bullets move at around 2,600 to 2,800 feet per second, giving a balanced mix of flat trajectory and manageable recoil, perfect for medium to large game. But in 2025, a noticeable shift is happening. More hunters are beginning to look beyond the .308. While its versatility and proven track record remain undeniable, newer cartridges are offering sleeker aerodynamics, better long-range stability, and less wind drift. Still, the .308's reputation for consistency and availability keeps it relevant. It feeds smoothly in semi-auto and bolt-action platforms alike, making it a reliable companion for those who value dependability over trend. The bullet's controlled expansion ensures clean, ethical harvests when used within its optimal range, maintaining its legacy as a responsible hunter's choice. Yet, as technology evolves, many shooters are realizing that ballistic innovation now gives lighter calibers similar performance with less drop and drag. So, even though the .308 Winchester isn't disappearing anytime soon, it's no longer the automatic top pick for precision enthusiasts. It remains a trusted symbol of traditional hunting. But for 2025's new generation of long-range hunters, innovation is pulling them toward faster, flatter cartridges. Number 4. .30-06 Springfield. When you think of classic American hunting, the .30-06 Springfield stands tall, like a veteran who's seen it all. Imagine standing in a misty forest at sunrise. This cartridge has been ethically taking game for over a century, trusted by generations of responsible hunters. Its 150 to 220 grain bullet range delivers serious energy, often pushing past 2,900 feet per second with impressive terminal performance. The .30-06 is known for deep penetration and stability, whether it's a deer in open plains or an elk in the mountains. But in 2025, hunters are beginning to question if tradition alone can keep it at the top. Newer cartridges, like the 6.5 and .25 Creedmoor family, achieve similar downrange energy with less recoil and better ballistic efficiency. That means less shooter fatigue, quicker follow-up shots, and improved long-range accuracy, advantages the old Springfield wasn't designed for. Still, its power and versatility can't be dismissed. The .30-06 remains one of the most balanced all-around hunting rounds ever made, capable of clean, ethical results in skilled hands. However, as precision rifles and advanced optics dominate the market, many are turning to cartridges that stay supersonic longer and resist wind drift better. The .30-06 is evolving from a must-have to a respected mentor. Still capable, still legendary, but no longer the go-to for innovation-focused marksmen. Number 3. .350 Legend. In a world where hunting laws and technology constantly evolve, the .350 Legend has carved out a unique space. Picture a cold Midwest morning. A hunter in a straight-wall-only zone lines up confidently, knowing this cartridge was built for exactly that. Introduced for states that restrict bottleneck rounds, the .350 Legend delivers clean, ethical performance without breaking recoil barriers. Firing bullets around 150 to 180 grains at roughly 2,200 feet per second, it offers a gentle shooting experience with solid terminal impact inside 250 yards. What makes it shine is efficiency, low recoil, affordable ammunition, and compatibility with lightweight rifles. For newer hunters or those looking for a comfortable shooting experience, The 350 Legend is forgiving yet effective. It's a perfect choice for whitetail hunts or small to mid-size game, emphasizing precision placement over brute force. However, its limitation becomes clear at extended distances. Beyond its comfort zone, velocity drops quickly, making it less suited for long-range accuracy compared to today's sleeker cartridges. Still, this round represents innovation meeting practicality, a blend of safety-first ethics and modern engineering. Hunters appreciate its simplicity, flat shooting within its range, minimal recoil, and smooth feeding in AR-style rifles. It's a cartridge that celebrates responsible marksmanship over raw power. But as hunters chase greater range and ballistic consistency, many are now stepping up to faster, flatter performers. Number 2. 25 Creedmoor. Imagine glassing a canyon at dawn. The 25 Creedmoor is built for calm, long-range precision. Part of the Creedmoor family, it pairs streamlined bullets with efficient case design for flatter trajectories. Typical bullets run 115-140 grains with muzzle speeds commonly between 2,700 to 3,000 feet per second. That combination reduces wind drift and drop, giving shooters an easier hold over distance. For ethical hunters, those traits mean cleaner, more reliable shot placement inside its effective range. Recoil is moderate, friendlier than many Magnum options, which helps steady follow-ups and reduces fatigue. It works well in bolt-action rifles and modern optics setups, staying practical for mountain or plains hunting. Ammo availability has grown, and handloaders enjoy tailoring bullet weight and seating for local conditions. In 2025, many precision-minded hunters pick it for medium game where distance and wind matter most. Its sweet spot is deer, pronghorn, and coyote-sized game at extended ranges, not the deepest penetrating choice. Manufacturers focus on bullets with high ballistic coefficients to keep velocity and energy downrange. The cartridge supports ethical choices, confirm range, ensure a safe backdrop, and aim for humane outcomes. Because it stays supersonic farther than older rounds, it offers a larger window for accurate, responsible shots. It's not ideal for heavy, dangerous game or dense brushwork, where larger calibers still hold an advantage. Debates in 2025 center on whether 6.5 performance gaps justify switching from this versatile round. Number 1. 6.5 PRC. Imagine glassing a canyon at dawn and dialing for a calm, precise shot. The 25 Creedmoor was built exactly for those moments, pairing streamlined projectiles with an efficient case to produce flatter trajectories and reduced wind drift compared with many older classics. Typical bullets fall in the 115-140 grain range with muzzle velocities often between about 2,700 and 3,000 feet per second, giving hunters a longer supersonic window and an easier hold over distance. That translates to more consistent, ethical shot placement when range, wind, and backdrop are properly confirmed. Its recoil remains moderate, helping shooters stay steady for quick follow-ups and reducing fatigue on long glassing days, and it performs exceptionally well from modern bolt actions with precision optics. Ammo availability has improved in recent years, and shooters who focus on ballistic coefficients prize how the cartridge preserves velocity and energy downrange for medium game like deer and pronghorn. It's not intended as a heavy penetration magnum for deep-boned, dangerous game or tight brush work, but within its envelope it rewards patience, marksmanship, and safety-first hunting practices. In 2025, many precision-minded hunters choose the .25 Creedmoor when they want a lighter recoiling, wind-resistant option that still delivers humane terminal performance at extended ranges, keeping the emphasis on legal, ethical harvests and responsible fieldcraft.